SOLAS Chapter 7 Carriage of Dangerous Goods. SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea. Chapter 7 outlines the regulations for the carriage of dangerous goods by sea, ensuring safety measures are in place to protect both the crew and the environment. This chapter is divided into 4 main parts, each addressing specific types of dangerous goods and their handling requirements. Part A, Carriage of Dangerous Goods in Packaged Form. Part A of SOLAS Chapter 7 focuses on the carriage of dangerous goods in packaged form and establishes essential regulations for ensuring the safe transport of hazardous materials by sea. This section mandates compliance with the International Maritime Dangerous Goods (IMDG) Code, which provides comprehensive guidelines for the classification, packing, marking, labeling, and documentation of dangerous goods. Under Part A, it is required that all dangerous goods are loaded, stowed, and secured in accordance with a cargo securing manual that must be prepared based on IMO guidelines. 2. Part A1. Carriage of Dangerous Goods in Solid Form and Bulk. Part A1 of SOLAS Chapter 7 addresses the carriage of dangerous goods in solid form and bulk, establishing essential regulations for the safe transportation of solid bulk materials classified as dangerous. This section mandates compliance with the International Maritime Solid Bulk Cargoes (IMSBC) Code, which outlines specific requirements for documentation, stowage, and segregation of such goods to minimize risks during transit. Additionally, it emphasizes the need for reporting incidents involving dangerous bulk cargoes to ensure prompt response and management of any hazards. The IMSBC Code does not cover grain transport, which is governed by separate regulations, ensuring that all types of dangerous bulk materials are handled according to their specific safety needs. Part B, Construction and Equipment of Ships Carrying Dangerous Liquid Chemicals in Bulk. Applies to ships carrying dangerous liquid chemicals in bulk, ensuring compliance with construction and equipment standards to prevent spills and accidents. It sets forth detailed requirements for the design, construction, and equipment of ships to safely carry dangerous liquid chemicals. This includes protective measures and safety equipment. This section mandates compliance with the International Bulk Chemical (IBC) Code, which sets forth international standards for the safe carriage of dangerous chemicals. Part C, Construction and Equipment of Ships Carrying Liquefied Gases in Bulk. This part mandates compliance with the International Code for the Construction and Equipment of Ships Carrying Liquefied Gases in Bulk (IGC Code), which provides a comprehensive framework to ensure safety during the maritime transport of liquefied gases. The IGC Code covers aspects such as tank design, insulation, venting, and emergency procedures to mitigate the risks associated with transporting these volatile substances. It also outlines procedures for loading, unloading, and handling of liquefied gases, ensuring proper ventilation and safety measures are in place during these critical operations. Part D, Packaged Irradiated Nuclear Fuel, Plutonium, and High-Level Radioactive Waste. This section requires compliance with the International Code for the Safe Carriage of Packaged Irradiated Nuclear Fuel, Plutonium, and High-Level Radioactive Wastes on Board Ships (INF Code). This section requires compliance with the International Code for the Safe Carriage of Packaged Irradiated Nuclear Fuel, Plutonium, and High-Level Radioactive Wastes on Board Ships (INF Code), which outlines stringent safety measures to prevent leaks or releases during transportation. The INF Code sets specific standards for packaging, labeling, and documentation for these materials, ensuring their secure containment and safe handling throughout the voyage. General provisions for ships carrying dangerous goods. Ships carrying dangerous goods must have a cargo securing manual approved by a recognized organization, ensuring that cargo is loaded, stowed, and secured properly throughout the voyage. An updated medical first aid guide for use in accidents involving dangerous goods, MFAG, must be on board to assist in emergencies related to hazardous materials. Reporting incidents involving dangerous goods to the nearest coastal state is a critical requirement to facilitate rapid response and management of any potential hazards. Important documents to be carried on board. 1. Cargo Securing Manual, a manual that details how cargo, including dangerous goods, should be loaded, stowed, and secured during the voyage. It must be prepared in accordance with IMO guidelines and approved by a recognized organization. 2. Medical First Aid Guide, MFAG. An up-to-date copy of the MFAG must be on board for use in accidents involving dangerous goods. This guide includes necessary medical information and procedures for handling emergencies related to hazardous materials. 3. Cargo Manifest or Stowage Plan. For ships carrying dangerous goods in packaged form, cargo manifest detailing the nature and stowage of the cargo must be maintained. This document is crucial for ensuring proper handling and emergency response. 4. Incident Reporting Procedures. Ships must have procedures in place for reporting incidents involving dangerous goods to the nearest coastal state, following guidelines set out in relevant resolutions, e.g., Resolution A.851/20. 5. IMDG Code, IMSBC Code, IBC Code, and INF Code as applicable. 6. Certificates of Compliance. While there are no specific survey or certification requirements under SOLAS Chapter 7 itself, compliance with applicable codes, like the IMDG, IMSBC, IBC, and IGC codes, may necessitate certificates issued by recognized organizations. Thank you for watching the video. For more marine topics, please subscribe CFIX channel. Please help us with your valuable feedback to improve the contents.